Hi, in this video we are going to see how you can find your Wi-Fi password using command prompt. The first step would be of course to go to start menu and open command prompt. But make sure you right click and run as administrator. Once you open command prompt, the first command you need to type is netsh. Press enter. Now the next command is wlan show profile. Press enter. You'll get the list of all these commands in the description of this video. Now here, after I have typed this command, I can see all the list of Wi-Fi networks that this computer has connected to. Suppose I need to find the password of this network, my home 5G. So for that I type the same command again, wlan show profile space. I copy this and paste it and put it under quotes, double quotes. Make sure you put it under double quotes, otherwise you will get an error. And space and type key is equal to clear. Press enter. Now you get all this information about this Wi-Fi network. Under security settings, you will see key content, and that is the password of this Wi-Fi network. In this way, similar to this, using this command, you can find all the Wi-Fi network's password that you have connected to. That's all in this video. Found it useful? Please hit the like button and follow for more such videos. Thank you.